Today, Sunrun is celebrating its 15-year anniversary as the nation's leading home solar battery and energy resources provider.
You know, we see that we're really providing a product that can help America really achieve household savings, which is what Americans really want to do right now.
Do you know my name? Yeah, my name is...
Talk about Ford. We are just beyond thrilled to be providing this kind of innovative solution to customers at a time when energy costs are going crazy, right?
I'm the lightning, I'm the thunder, I'm the rain. I'm the storm, I'm the eye of the hurricane.
The reality is when you're powering from the sun, that, you know, the sun doesn't change its price. Like it's generating, creating that clean, affordable energy.
Do you know my name? Yeah, you know, do you know my name? You know, my name is legend.